In the diagram below, two blocks A and B of mass 8 kilograms and 5 kilograms respectively are connected by light in string. The string passes over a light frictionless pulley so that the blocks hangs down as shown. Initially, the blocks are held stationary at the same position above the floor. Each of the block is 0.3 meters high. Now the blocks start moving when they are released. Ignore the air friction when answering the question below. Uh, Draw a free body diagram of all the forces acting on block B. So into la izokwenzeka ublock A silindele ukuthi uzokwehla shone phansi since isisindo sakhe sikhulu u-8 kg, while ublock B silindele ukuthi uzonyuka aye phezulu. So la okuya khona iblock sizothi ku-positive. So since ublock A eya phansi ukuya phansi ku-positive, block B eya phezulu ukuya phezulu ku-positive. Okay, for ublock B singa-drawa i-free body diagram njengoba bekuziwe. So ublock B uzodonsele kushona phezulu, that is a tension force. Phindezwe idonsele kashona phansi, that is Fg. So the force eyaphezulu izoba positive, le yaphansi izoba negative. Ublock A, sesenza i-free body diagram kablock A, uzwa udonsele kushona phansi, donsa u-Fg, bese ezwa idonseleka futhi phezulu, donswa i-tension force. In this case, u-Fg uzoba positive ngoba ukuya phansi ku-positive, tension force izoba negative. Uma uyinaka-ke le ndaba, ngapha i-tension force ku-block A negative, ngapha i-tension force i-positive. Kuya ngokuthi object yangakubo, block B uyaphezulu kuyaphezulu ku-positive, so i-force eyaphezulu i-positive. Ngapha ublock A uyaphansi, kuyaphansi ku-positive, Fg uyaphansi u-positive, tension force negative. So ngapha singenza F net wakhona, F net is equal to MA, force eyaphezulu. Okay, lapho calculate the block's acceleration after they are released. Calculate i-acceleration. So i-force eyaphezulu, tension force, minus force eyaphansi, Fg, is equal to MA. Now, tension force minus mg is equal to ma. Tension force minus 5 times 9,8 is equal to 5 times a. 5 times 9,8 is equal to 49. So the ft minus 49 is equal to 5a. So now I should set below equation number 1. Size ngapha ku-block A, ku-block A nakhona sobhala formula yakhona, net force is equal to MA, force yaphansi Fg positive minus force yaphezulu, tension force is equal to MA. This is mg minus the tension force is equal to MA. Imass yala u-8 times 9,8 minus tension force is equal to 8a. 8 times 9,8 goes over 78,4 minus tension force is equal to 8a. So this is equation number 2. We can add the two equations. So ngathatha loya equation number 1 ngizom-add la. Kuzoba ft minus 49 is equal to 5a. Masiqhathanisa lo u-positive masiba-add-a loya u-negative, bazokhanselana, zizosala no-78,4 minus 49 is equal to plus laba bangapha 8a plus 5a 78,4 minus 49 okusikhiphela 29,4 is equal to 8 plus 5 okuzoba ubani 13 13a u-a divided by 13 on both sides 29,4 kuzoba u-2,26 2,26 meters per square second. Okay. I-acceleration leyo yama-block ngingayibhala acceleration 2,26 meters per square second. Okay. Sibuke la bathi block A touches the floor a second later after the release. The blocks come to rest as shown. Calculate the vertical distance measured D from the top of the block A to the bottom of block B at the instant the block touches the floor. Okay, sifuna loya D loya. Sifuna D. Okay, into esiyaziyo initial ublock A i-velocity yakhe beku-0 bamreleaser, so sine-initial velocity. So uzohamba isikhathi esingakanani ublock A kuyofika phansi? Uzohamba u-1 second. Fanele sithole-ke ukuthi uhambe i-height engakanani. Sizosebenzisa ama-equations of motion. We have the initial velocity, we have isikhathi, so delta y is equal to v initial times change in t plus half a change in t squared. Initial velocity 0 isikhathi 1 second plus half i-acceleration yethu 2,26 isikhathi 1 all squared. 0,5 times 2,26 times 1 ngizosikhiphela 1,13 meters. Okay, so sekufanele sithole-ke kahle kahle ukuthi u-D yena ulingana nobani. Siyathola ukuthi u-A ukuya phansi uhambe u-1,1 3 meters. Okay, ake sizame ukuthola ukuthi yena-ke u-B asike sithi u-D ulingana nobani. So initial ama-block wethu ebelenga kanje ama-block wethu ebelenga kanje ebelenga kanje. Initial sino-5 sino-8. So ebelenga kanje ama-block wethu. Kwenzeka okwenzekile, so sine-ground lapha phansi. So u-block B wehlile waze wazofika la. U-block ublock A wehlile. ublock B yena wenyukile, wenyukile, wenyukile. So kufanele sithole lo wenyuke i-distance engakanani, lo wehle i-distance engakanani. Okay, kahle kahle wehle i-distance engakanani, lo wenyuka i-distance engakanani. Ilapho-ke sizothola khona i-answer yethu. Sifuna thina i-distance yokusuka la uzofika laphaya, ukuthi kubani, sifuna u-D. Okay, lo uma ngabe ehle u-1,13 meters ukuze ukusuka la ade khona uzofika phansi, shuthi nalo unyuke 1,13 meters. Loya ubude bakhe u-0,3. So ukuze sithole ukuthi thina fanele u-D simeasure from the top of block A to the bottom of block B. So ukuze sithole le portion le fanele sithi 1,13 minus 0,3 bese siyathola ukuthi la 1,13 minus 0,3 sesiyathola ukuthi la u-0,83. So ukuze simeasure ukusuka lapha sofika la fanele sithi u-D ulingana no-0,83 plus 1,13 or uthi 1,13 plus 1,13 minus 0,3 zokunikeza answer efanayo. 0,83 plus 1,13 kuzokunikeza 1,96 meters. So uyena D wethu-ke lo uthi ulingana nobani. Siyacela ukuthi ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe-a, niphinde ni-like. Siyabonga. So that sizokhona ukufaka amavidiyo amaningi afana nalawo.